With Wi-Fi security cameras, you can keep an eye on packages outside your home, pets on the couch, and even prowlers raiding your refrigerator. We have researched and tested hundreds of outdoor, indoor, hardwired, wireless, and doorbell Wi-Fi cameras in order to find the best models to fit a variety of budgets, homes, and security needs. If you want to know what's going on when you're away, one of our camera recommendations will do the job. Number 5. Ring Stick-Up Cam Plug-in. The Ring Stick-Up Cam plug-in Wi-Fi camera comes with a lengthy, weather-resistant power cord but can also run on a battery, sold separately. We prefer the cord, which enables the camera's ability to record longer clips and more accurately capture motion events. The camera delivers crisp two-way audio and 1080p video, with a 130-degree field of view. A Ring Protect Basic plan, which starts at $4 per month or $40 per year, is required to store camera recordings, but it also enables person alerts and smartphone notifications with video stills. Also, despite some previous issues, Ring now provides more privacy and security measures than any other camera manufacturer whose models we tested. Number 4. Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight Camera. The Arlo Pro 4 Spotlight Camera captures sharp 2K video and includes a rechargeable battery so you can install it anywhere within reach of your Wi-Fi signal. We especially like that it allows you to pull the battery out for recharging instead of having to uninstall the whole camera. To save your recordings, you need to subscribe to the Arlo Secure Cloud service, which also adds AI-powered features like the ability to distinguish between people, animals, vehicles, packages, and general motion. In addition, the system has a 6,500K spotlight for color night vision, as well as a siren that peaks at 95 decibels, based on our measurements, which you can set up to trigger automatically based on movement or in an emergency with a touch of a button in the app. Number 3. Eufy Floodlight Cam 2 Pro. The Eufy Floodlight Cam 2 Pro combines bright outdoor light with a surveillance camera. 3 integrated LED panels capable of blasting 3,000 lumens of brightness can be turned on and off or tweaked via the Eufy app or voice control. This Eufy model is also the only floodlight we've reviewed that allows for color temperature adjustments from 3,000 to 5,700 Kelvin, so you can choose between cool and warm whites. The camera can pan and tilt 360 degrees horizontally and 130 degrees vertically, capturing stellar 2K images day and night, both with and without color night vision. And it can store that video locally on 8 gigabytes worth of internal storage or in the cloud. For a fee starting at $3 per month, the cloud option downgrades the recordings to 1080p though. Number 2. Eufy Solo IndoorCam C24. The Eufy Solo IndoorCam C24 captures 2K images day and night, a massive upgrade from 1080p resolution, which has long been considered the gold standard. It can detect motion, tell the difference between people and pets, and even hear crying. You can store clips in one of 4 ways, including locally on a microSD card or NAS, network-attached storage, which you can set to capture just motion-triggered events or to record everything 24/7, and in the cloud via a paid subscription to eufy Cloud or Apple HomeKit Secure Video. The C24 is also the least expensive, best-performing camera we've reviewed that supports Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Assistant. Number 1. Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wired. Along with its great hardware and fast response times, the Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wired can accurately distinguish between people, animals, vehicles, and packages. In our tests, that ability also allowed it to keep false alerts, a problem with many doorbell cameras, to a minimum. That advanced sensing and the camera's ability to capture video clips up to 5 minutes long require a $3 monthly Arlo Secure subscription, but we think these features are essential and the price is fair. Otherwise, you're restricted to motion and bell alerts and live video streaming. Local storage cuts out the monthly fee, but also the advanced motion detection features. This Arlo model captures crisp video with a 1536 by 1536 resolution and a wide 180-degree viewing angle in a square format, providing a comprehensive vertical and horizontal view of what's going on in front of your door, whether it's deliveries or the antics of visiting raccoons.